don't get scared. I don't get scared.
Hi everybody, this is Michelle and this is my son. What's your name?
Caden.
And how old are you?
6.
You're 6 years old. And we just got this nifty little toy, which is called the Rusty Rivets. And we had gotten this from FamilyRated.com to review. It was free. And we just put it together. It is so easy, right? You put it all together by yourself?
Yeah. And look, it has gliders on the side. They fly.
Whoa.
And you can change it up and down.
So let's show in the back of the box because we destroyed the front of it. So this is the box. It is called Rusty Rivets. It's by Nickelodeon.
Nickelodeon?
Yes, Nickelodeon. And you could combine it, you could design it, you could collect, there's a whole bunch, collection. They have action figures and, what is that one? That's called, Botosaur. So.
Look what I did, I switched it up. I switched it up, Dad.
Oh, you switched it up?
Now I make it but I found another idea. See? So you turn it and then you can pop it up. And then see?
Whoa.
Now it looks different.
Yes, it does.
Oh.
Did you show them how it lights up his eyes? Gotta show them now.
I already showed them that.
Oh, sorry. Mommy forgot.
Wait. See, the way you do it, it opened now.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. I think it's because of this thing.
Is it that thing?
Look, it opened by itself.
Wow.
It opened by itself.
Oh, his mouth? Kind of cool.
The tail do anything?
No, the tail doesn't do anything.
What about it?
So how do you like it? Do you think it's a cool toy?
What about we switch the leg?
Are you going to switch the legs?
I'm going to switch the but look at it.
Oh, you're going to do an upside down tiger bite?
Right. Look. So when the person doing it, sitting in it, look, it just fly up. Goodbye.
So as you're guessing, he does like it. It was really, like I said, easy to put together. He was able to put it together by himself with just a little direction from me, which I think that's such a good thing. It makes him use his hands, use his imagination. It is very lightweight, doesn't have any sharp edges, no very little pieces. It is, on the box says that it's made for 3 and up. Which I could see it being used by somebody who's a little bit younger. Again, it was very easy to put together. It's very easy to change the batteries on it. The batteries are, let me show them, just right there on the bottom of the bot. So very easy to take apart. And like I said, it is interchangeable. It does say that you can design it, so you could take some of the pieces from the other bots and kind of like make your own weird creature. Ooh. But you want to do that?
Yeah, we need to get another one that we could and then we could show them, 2 of them. What about we switch it to this one?
Oh yeah, we gotta try to get that one.
Yeah. And then,
so if you add this, and this, press this one, you can make that one. So you can make a whole bunch of different designs.
See, so you get that one, you go that one, and you get that one, you go that one, and you get this one, you go that one, and you get that one, you go that one.
I know, and so you can make a weird...
Where's this one?
Creature.
Where's this one?
That one is over here. So, and see, that is the character that can be put into its back. But you could take pieces from that Botosaurus and put it into the tiger, and the tiger bot
will be that,
which will be a tiger Botosaurus. I've never seen a tiger Botosaurus before, so it will be interesting to add on to this collection and seeing what else we could come up with, right?
Yeah.
So, you tell everybody, how do you like it?
I like it so much.
You like it so much?
Yeah. They're gonna be that another video looks like. Goodbye.
So, thank you for watching. And subscribe and like our video, and we'll try to do some more.
Wait, but remember in all the bird video, and then say, like in sketchy video, click like the bell.
Oh yeah, so subscribe and click the bell. And press the like button, and we'll try to do some more, and hopefully it'll be better organized than what we have today. But this is our first video, and so let us know if there's something else that you like Keaton to review. I get a lot of boxes, sample boxes, so I'm going to try to put up some more videos of the sample boxes. A lot of them I get free, and just show you some of the things that you can get for free to try, which I think it's a great thing for answering some surveys. So, yes?
It opened.
Whoa, the back is open.
Goodbye. Next time I will
Alright, so we're going to go. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye.
Bye.